in 2015, Americans spent over $11 billion whitening their teeth. It's insane, but here's the trend. People understand that a white smile has the power to, like that, make you look more attractive. But here's the trick. You can save money and not have to be part of the $11 billion if you understand what's actually causing your teeth to be yellow. For example, when you eat certain foods that stain your enamel or you mix that in with plaque buildup, those are the two main culprits for yellow teeth. So now that we understand this concept and using this, today I'm gonna give you 7 natural ways for you to whiten your teeth at home. If that sounds interesting, hop into it. Number 1, I think you're gonna love this one. Make out. As if you needed another reason to eat a girl's face off. Studies have shown that making out increases saliva production, and without you even trying, the saliva helps break down food and remove some of the stains from your teeth. Now, if you don't have a girl, there are other less exciting ways to increase saliva production, like chewing on a bunch of sugar-free gum throughout the day. But I think I like the first tip better. Number 2, use a charcoal toothpaste. If you look at a charcoal particle in a microscope, it's super porous, so it has a bunch of little holes. Think of it as like a sponge. So it ends up acting like a suction cup, sucking dirt and having the dirt suck into those pores, making charcoal a great vacuum to clean pretty much anything. Apply it to your toothpaste and it's gonna lift up all the dirt from your mouth. Now, my favorite charcoal toothpaste is the one from our sponsor, Whiten Style. What I like about this particular toothpaste is that they went the extra step. They also infused it with bamboo, which, as you know, bamboo is a natural antibacterial agent. So this toothpaste is kind of like a 2-in-1. You get the charcoal that whitens your teeth naturally, but you also have the bamboo that naturally kills any bacteria in your mouth, removing bad odors. It's probably one of the best toothpastes right now on the market for whitening your teeth naturally. Which rolls us on to number 3. If you want to take steps further, you can use an at-home whitening system. A professional at-home whitening kit like this one from Whiten Style is something that you pull out when you need the big guns. When you just need a deep cleaning from all the wine, coffee, and soda stains that have just made your teeth yellow over time. Now, the best part about this specific kit is that it's an LED whitening system, but also it's peroxide free. So if you have sensitive teeth, this is the kit you're probably going to want to try, and it's not going to be as harsh. And for right now, if you guys want to check this out, you can get this whole entire kit plus this amazing charcoal toothpaste that I was talking about for only 35 bucks. That's right, you're gonna get both for only 35 bucks. I think it's like a 80 or 90% discount from what you would have to pay if you buy it online. If you just want the whitening kit, you can get the kit for only 28 bucks, under $30, which is an absolute steal. Number 4, you can try oil pulling. Now, the best type of oil to use for this is coconut oil because it'll leave the best taste in your mouth, and also coconut oil is known to have lauric acid, which is known for its ability to reduce inflammation and kill bacteria naturally. So it's kind of like a 2-for-1. Now, I know I'm going through a lot of grooming products right now, but don't get it overwhelmed thinking you need to buy everything at once. This is just like a broad picture of all the things and products that you can use to fight your yellow teeth to make them look white. And since most of these are natural, you can do them all at once for ultimate white fighting power. Make sure you start tagging these items. Every item that I'm talking about, start tagging it using our sponsor, ShopTagger. ShopTagger is an amazing resource for you to start having on your computer. If you click the link down below, it's absolutely free. It's a free app. You lose nothing. Once you have it on your phone or on your computer, when I'm doing videos like this, you can easily start tagging these items and creating lists that you could start using. For example, you create a grooming product list. So all these grooming products that you would want, you can start tagging them, and that way when you do have a little bit of extra money and you want to buy something, you can go to that list and get exactly what you need to look more handsome. Now, the best part with ShopTagger is that they've completely revamped the whole app. So if you're on a certain site, whether it's Nordstrom's or Amazon, there's going to be a little pop-up that comes on the side suggesting to you coupon codes that you can probably use to save yourself money. It also notifies you when you have a certain product tagged. If that product goes on sale or is restocked, it'll send you an email. This one feature alone on products has saved me personally 70 to 80% off. That's why ShopTagger is so valuable. If you guys want to download ShopTagger completely free, go ahead and click the link down below. Which rolls us on to number 5. Like I was just mentioning, you're gonna need to upgrade your tools. One of them is your toothbrush. And if you're still using that archaic manual toothbrush, you're not doing an efficient job of removing the plaque that could be causing your teeth to look yellow, which is why you need to upgrade to an electric toothbrush. Electric toothbrushes right now are so advanced that they'll do anything from 30 to 40 1,000 brush strokes per minute. You would never even come close to that with a manual toothbrush, which means per minute you're getting more cleaning power in your mouth to be able to remove the plaque and make your teeth look pearly white. Number 6, brush your teeth with baking soda. Baking soda is mildly abrasive, which is strong enough to kind of scrub away all the dirt from your teeth to make it look better. You can buy a box of baking soda for under $1 and you can create your at-home toothpaste by just mixing a little bit of baking soda with water and brushing your teeth with baking soda all day. After 30 days, you're gonna notice a significant difference. Finally, number 7, eat more fruits and vegetables. A diet change is the easiest way to achieve a white smile. Not only adding more fruits and vegetables to your diet is it healthy for your body, crunchy fruits and veggies do a great job at rubbing away or scrubbing at your teeth as you chew. For example, one study found that toothpaste that contained bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapples as well, was significantly more effective at whitening your teeth than standard toothpaste. And that's it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Those are 7 easy ways that you can whiten your teeth naturally at home. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and share this video because it helps us grow. That's it for me today. See you next time.